right. Oh, no way. Lambo status? Let's go. Yeah. That good old white diamond.
24 volt.
We out here with Nick Weber. He got locked himself out of his own truck. Gotta get this for the old YouTube.
No, the keys are just...
The keys are... Is it just froze shut from washing?
I think so.
Alright, so Will found out that my engine is misfiring, so pop the cover off. And we're gonna check her out. Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir.
We got Chase recording too. Getting the shots. Alright, so Will found the problem. What was it, Will?
Just got an intake rocker pretty far out of adjustment. It's got 27 thousandths on it.
Oh, okay. Shoot. So you'll be able to get her back to normal. She'll be running prime.
Better.
Nice. Let's go. Hey, Will, what just happened there, bud?
A little oil come out.
Yeah. What caused that? Whoops. Oopsie daisies. What you doing there, bud? Oh, just watching you spread your grease around.
Hey, it's actually working, surprisingly.
Did you use some more of the compound for it?
Yeah.
Christ.
It's actually coming out.
Proof that Nick works on his truck.
I sure do. 24 hours a day.
Nobody believes it, but I have proof right here.
We did.
All right, well, what'd we do here?
We got your axle straightened back out. You're about an inch set back on the rear.
Nice. So, yeah, you guys can't see because it's really dark, but yeah. All right, Chase, what do you think? What are you rating your polish job?
I mean, you know, I wish somebody would have got some new lug covers for his wheels, but...
Oh, come on now.
No,
Come on.
You know, we got this thing all cleaned up and polished, and
She's dialed now.
Nick made me freeze my hand off out in the cold watching this thing. It's painted in here too, so can't have that happening.
Hey, there wasn't any truck washes on the way here.
No, there wasn't. And honestly, I think Levi said that most of them were pretty packed, so even if you would have stopped, it would have been
Right. But yeah, no,
But yeah, I got it all cleaned up. Hopefully we can replace your deck next time.
yeah, that would be
Get some wood
nice.
for this.
He's got a nice deck.
He does have a nice deck. You can tell she gets used and abused though. You got a hole in her.
Right.
Doing some whiskey throttle. But
No, we'll get her all dialed here soon. Are gonna go get some rolling shots. We'll probably get, I don't know, maybe a half a mile down the road before she gets filthy, because of course it's, you know.
drive like a rape date. So.
Yeah, it snowed this morning, so that's awesome. But, you know, we're gonna get the shots, and I think you guys will enjoy. got my truck to Dakota Alignment. Got an appointment for tomorrow to get those bushings in place on the rear, and hopefully that's all they need to do. All right, well, I am heading into town. I got my truck done at Dakota Alignment, so that's good. And then I'm gonna bring the truck to Ridge's shop. He's gonna let me store it there for a couple days. It's gonna be pretty nasty, and I have a new bumper to install. Hopefully that still shows up today, but it hasn't, so I don't know if it has to do with the weather or whatnot, but so be it. Just have to wait until it gets here. All right, they're making room for me. Put a couple things out of the way, that way we can get the little girl in there, and hopefully the new bumper will show up. All the back wheels are filthy again, and the boxes. Some models are saying 30 inches, and some are saying 20, some are only saying 11, but I'm guessing we're gonna get anywhere from 20 to 30 inches, which is gonna be pretty crazy, and like 50 plus mile an hour winds. So yeah, should be fun. Bringing me into Ridges. That's where the truck is right now. I was hoping to put the new bumper on, but because of weather, they got delayed till next week, so that's unfortunate, but the old bumper will just have to do for now. And then I'll be heading to Denver to go to their shop and pick up a trailer, and then go to Colorado Springs and pick up a loaded trailer, and then head to Glendale from there. So yeah, it's gonna be a long weekend. All right, just sprayed off the truck and wiped her down at Ridges, and now I am gonna hit the road. Let's go, baby. Deuces. Later.